So this is a sneak peek of Google Bard. I was on the waiting list to try it out. So it's not going to be as edited and as clean as my normal videos, but you can kind of get the idea of what Google Bard is going to look like. If you're unaware of what Google Bard is, it could be, some say, the answer to chatgpt and Microsoft integration. But Google's been working on this for a long time. If you remember from their emails and Google Docs, when you start typing a sentence, it autofills with kind of their language adaptation program. This is an extension of that. So you'll be able to see me kind of play around with it on my phone. Here you go. So that was the welcome email that you got that basically wants to give it for a test run. You've got to agree to your terms and policies. I just scrolled through it really quick to jump in. You can see here that there is kind of a warning of, hey, this is just an experiment. It's not always going to get it right. And so you can see some prompts that I type in here. You can pause it and look at the prompts. I'm actually using voice to text to kind of throw those prompts in there. I just did 3 that came to my head really quick. The first one, right, was to tell me the top 5 influencers on Instagram, and it's going to pull up those pretty quickly. It will, kind of do this little search that you see with ChatGPT. It's got the little star up there spinning, and then it gives you the name of the people and the followers of that. So then I entered another chat prompt and just went that way. And so you can kind of follow along. I don't need to give you a play-by-play of what's happening. You can kind of just watch the rest of the video. Again, if you're here, it's most likely because you're an educator or you're super interested in Google Bard. And so you can see that the address it's going to be located at is bard.google.com, and some other kind of nuances of what this is going to look like. But hope you enjoy. Come back for more as I use it more and find out where we're at. And you can see that it's not necessarily as in-depth as ChatGPT. This is the very beginning of the Google Bard release, and so I imagine that the full version will be obviously a little bit more robust and have more options and the ability to save histories. And I could also see Google doing a paid version like ChatGPT. Anyway, that's the end of this voice recording. You can keep watching and see what it does from there.